You will love the features of this 2018 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an iconic Toyota Tacoma that's ready for work or play. This midsize pickup is ready to tow or hit the trail and comes loaded with driver assistance and safety features. Rugged and capable, it's the right choice for your adventurous spirit. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, premium sound system, fog lamps, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel drive, backup camera. Feel confident on the road or trail in this capable Tacoma. Come in and take it out for a spin. We're here to make your test drive experience the best it can be.